Hello and welcome. Today, we're building a touch-activated switch. This simple on-off circuit uses a transistor and the tiny current from your body. Let's get started. First, gather your components: a transistor like a BC547 or a Darlington pair like the TIP 120, a 10K ohm resistor, an LED with a current limiting resistor, 220 to 330 ohms, and a power source 9 volts battery or regulated supply. A breadboard or connection method is also needed. Now, assemble the circuit. Connect the collector of the transistor to the positive side of the LED. The emitter connects to the negative side of the power source. Connect one end of the 10K ohm resistor to the base, and the other end to the positive side of your power supply. This resistor acts as a pull-up resistor, keeping the transistor off. Connect the LED's current limiting resistor in series. Finally, connect the wire or metal pad to the base for the touch input. How does this work? The human body conducts a small amount of electricity. Touching the pad sends a tiny current to the transistor's base. This turns the transistor on, allowing current to flow and activating the LED. Touching the pad again turns the transistor off, and the LED turns off. Simple. Darlington pairs may need a higher base resistor value e.g., 100K ohms. Always consult the transistor's datasheet. Let's test. Touch the pad. The LED should light up. Remove your finger, and it should turn off. If not, double-check connections, LED polarity, and voltage. You can use a smaller series resistor with the touchpad for increased sensitivity. But be aware of possible noise interference. Modify this circuit by using a relay instead of an LED to control higher power devices. Replace the LED with a relay coil. Consider adding a flyback diode for the relay coil. Always consult a qualified electrician, and take proper safety precautions when working with AC mains voltage. Troubleshooting: check power supply, component polarity, and connections. If the LED is always on, the base resistor might be too small, or the transistor damaged. If the LED doesn't light, the base resistor may be too large, or sensitivity is insufficient. Replace the transistor if needed. This switch teaches you about transistors and current flow. It's a great project for learning electronics. Thank you for watching, and happy building!